Hi. In this video, we'll talk about the power of affirmations, one of the most effective ways to change your mindset and achieve your goals. We'll explain how affirmations help manage emotions, boost confidence, and open up new opportunities. You'll also hear what famous people think about this method and how to use affirmations daily to shift your thinking and improve your life. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos about motivation and personal growth, and let's get started. Part 1. What are affirmations and how do they help? Affirmations are positive statements that help us shape and strengthen a new, more confident and optimistic mindset. Repeated daily, these phrases affect our subconscious, allowing us to replace old, negative beliefs with new, supportive, and inspiring ones. Affirmations help break down internal barriers, overcome doubts and fears, and build confidence. Every day, our brain processes hundreds of thoughts, many of which are negative or limiting. These thoughts influence self-esteem and motivation. Affirmations activate brain centers responsible for positive change, redirecting attention to constructive beliefs. If you often say to yourself, "I can't handle this," or "I'm not strong enough," affirmations can replace these thoughts with, "I am capable of overcoming challenges," which begins to change your self-perception. Affirmations are beneficial in various areas, such as self-esteem and confidence. Statements like, "I deserve success," reinforce your belief in yourself. Goals and motivation. Phrases like, "I confidently move toward my goal," help keep you focused. Stress relief and calmness. Affirmations such as, "Every day brings me peace," help find inner balance. Financial well-being. Phrases like, "I attract abundance and financial freedom," contribute to a positive attitude towards money and financial goals. Physical and mental health. Statements like, "I care for my body and mind," help strengthen well-being. Relationships with others. Affirmations such as, "I create harmonious and honest relationships," help improve interactions with others. Part 2. Types of affirmations and their examples. Affirmations can be divided into several types, each focusing on strengthening different areas of life. Let's explore the main types and give some examples. 1. Motivational affirmations help maintain energy and drive towards action. "Every day I move closer to my goal," or "All my efforts are directed towards achieving success." 2. Confidence affirmations boost self-esteem and help overcome internal limitations. "I believe in my abilities," or "I am worthy of love and respect." 3. Calmness. Affirmations reduce stress and help find peace of mind. "I find peace within myself." "All challenges are temporary and I can handle them." 4. Health affirmations reinforce a positive attitude towards your body. "I am grateful for my health and care for it," or "My body is a source of energy and vitality." 5. Relationship affirmations help improve communication with others. "I am open to kind and harmonious relationships," or "I attract honest and sincere people into my life." Understanding the types of affirmations allows you to choose phrases that are most beneficial in the current situation, whether it's boosting confidence, finding motivation, or maintaining health. Part 3. What 5 famous people think about affirmations. Many well-known individuals use affirmations, viewing them as an effective tool for achieving success. Let's look at examples of affirmations and their attitudes towards them from 5 inspiring personalities. Muhammad Ali, the legendary boxer, widely used affirmations to build self-confidence. "I am the greatest," his famous affirmation spoken before fights. "I am born to win, and victory is mine." Louise Hay, self-help author, emphasized the importance of affirmations in life. "I love and approve of myself. Every day I am open to joy and happiness." Tony Robbins, motivational speaker, uses affirmations to maintain optimism and focus. My thoughts are full of energy and power. I direct my energy towards achieving my goals. Ariana Huffington, founder of the Huffington Post, actively uses affirmations to enhance productivity. I find balance between work and rest. I am open to new ideas and opportunities. Leonardo DiCaprio, actor and activist, uses affirmations to maintain confidence in work and personal life. I believe in my abilities and talent. Every day, I take a step toward my dream. These examples show that affirmations are not just a tool for beginners, but also for successful individuals. They help deal with challenges and stay focused on success. Part 4. Practical use of affirmations. Now that we understand the essence and types of affirmations, let's discuss how to use them effectively. Here are some recommendations. First, regularity. Try to repeat affirmations daily, preferably in the morning and evening, to make them a part of your life. 2. Emotional engagement. Say affirmations with feeling, believe in them, and speak with enthusiasm. The emotional tone enhances their impact. 3. Writing affirmations. Keeping an affirmation journal helps you document your thoughts and goals, aiding in their consolidation. 4. Focus on the present. Speak affirmations as if the result has already been achieved. This accelerates the effect. 5th, gradual approach. For the best results, start with a few affirmations, adding new ones gradually as you become accustomed. Part 5. How daily affirmations change a person's thinking and behavior. Daily affirmation practice not only strengthens positive thinking, but also has a tangible impact on the brain. Repeating affirmations regularly activates the brain's reticular formation, responsible for filtering information. As a result, the brain begins to focus more on positive and successful beliefs, filtering out negative thoughts. From a neuroplasticity perspective, daily affirmations help form new neural connections that support positive thinking and confidence. As these new connections strengthen, affirmations become a habit, and your thinking and behavior begin to shift towards greater optimism and self-assurance. Thus, within a few weeks of regular affirmation practice, you can feel a positive impact on your mood, self-esteem, and motivation. Conclusion. Affirmations are a powerful tool that allows you to build and maintain a positive mindset, strengthen confidence, and achieve your goals more easily. Try incorporating them into your life by choosing 1 or 2 phrases that resonate with you. If you practice affirmations, share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and check out other videos on motivation and Stoic philosophy.